6 life lessons from Atisa Manalo's Miss Universe journey na nakapagpagising sa buong universe. Atisa delivered one of the strongest Miss Universe performances. Calm, elegant, prepared. Pero sa finals night, hindi nangyari ang inaasahan. Maraming nagsalita, maraming nagtanong, maraming nag-ingay. Pero siya, nanatiling graceful. And that's where the real lessons begin. Lesson number 1. Your path won't always go the way you plan. Kahit prepared ka, may endings talagang hindi mo kontrolado. Lesson number 2. Controversy reveals character. Habang maingay ang internet, Atisa stayed composed. That's strength. Lesson number 3. You can win without winning the crown. Third runner-up man siya, pero ang impact niya mas malalim pa sa placement. Lesson number 4. Integrity is priceless. Hindi lahat ng offer dapat tanggapin. Paninindigan ang tunay na crown.
Young people, to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define where you will go.
Lesson number 5. Not every noise deserves a reaction. Minsan, silence is victory. Lesson number 6. Your journey inspires more than your victory. Hindi lang beauty, bravery ang tunay na universality. Si Sir Nagmamahal, Lara Ventura, hindi mo kailangan ng corona para maging impactful. Comment your own life lessons na nakapagpagising sa buong universe.